Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my very latest Wantable box to share with you. Now this is my regular style edit. Honestly though, I don't remember ordering this box. I don't have my Wantable boxes on like a monthly subscription. I usually just go in and request my Wantable boxes, but I think I might change that, or maybe it changed. Maybe it changed already. I'm thinking I went in to order my very first active box. I'll pop a card up above if you haven't seen that video. I really liked that box and I thought the prices were pretty reasonable. So I'm thinking maybe when I went in to order the active box, it did something with my account and it shipped me a style box, but I'm very happy they did. Maybe it was a sign. Maybe they knew that I don't need new clothing. I just like new clothing, right? So maybe they knew I wanted some new pieces. This box is so promising. My Wantable boxes have been great lately. And this one, there's not one piece that I'm like, yeah, I know. Wait till you see it. All right, let's get to the try on. I can't wait to show you what's in this box. I haven't tried anything on yet, so I can't wait to do that. Hang on one second. Okay, so we're off to a really good start. Now this first top is by the brand Loveappella. This is the printed wrap front sleeveless top. It's $44, 95% rayon, 5% spandex. It's in an extra large. This top is gorgeous. So it's a tank style, but it's also a wrap style. I do like the larger like tanks for work. I think they're really nice. You can kind of adjust it to make it a little bit more modest or kind of pull it a little bit. I really look at the pretty pattern. Wow, it's so gorgeous, and I love the colors in this. There's some blue, there's some orange, there's some yellow with the white. I just think it screams summer. I love it. So I like the length of this top as well. I think it's a good length. What do you think? I think the cut is very flattering, and I just love the colors of this top. Now, I have it on with some jeans they sent me. I know I keep saying I don't need any more denim, but because I didn't, well, I guess I did request this box somehow. I didn't get a chance to put it in my note that I don't need any more denim, but wow, I might have to keep these because I'm loving them. I'll talk about them a little bit later on. I have them on, or I put the top on with these jeans, but think about the top with like some white jeans, some white shorts. What do you think? I love it. Even navy, like you can wear them with, if you have navy pants, yeah, or if you find some like yellow, like bright yellow shorts, how fun would that be? I love this top. Yep, we're off to a really good start. All right, let me show you the back of it. Easy decision. This one's mine. This one's staying with me. How fun would this be? Like, I want some like yellow earrings, some statement earrings. That would be really fun. I have it on. I have these gold bracelets on. So, you know, you could wear gold with it. Maybe some gold statement earrings. But how fun would like some colorful earrings be too? So yeah, this one's staying with me, and I love how soft it feels too. The material is really, really nice. So one of the things I like about Wantable is that in my experience, the quality has been really great. All right, I'm gonna change into the next top. All right, actually I figured we'll talk about these denim while I have them on. These are by Curve Appeal. They are the premium skinny jean with comfort waistband in London. They are a size 16, $68. And the material was a blend of like polyester, rayon, cotton, spandex, all of those. If you're interested, I'll leave the exact blend below. These are so comfortable. They are a high-rise jean. I know I don't need any more denim, but I think I need these. I really like the wash of them. There's no distressing. They fit really well. They're very comfortable. I think they look great with this top. I have a lot that would go with it. Of course, it's, you know, jeans. And look at the length is pretty close to being like perfect, right? What do you think? I really like these jeans. Yep, I think I need them. All right, I'm gonna change now into the next top. Okay, so I really love this next top too. This one is by Cut from the Cloth. It's a little bit pricey, but it is cut from the cloth. This is the Calla wrap top in teal, extra large, $68. It's 100% rayon, but I love this top. I really love this top. Look at the pretty teal color. I don't own much teal. I think it's a good color for me, and it's a fun color to add to my wardrobe for the summertime. And look how pretty it looks with the floral print. I know I'm adding a lot of floral print to my wardrobe, but I'm really loving it, and I'm pulling for it a lot. I love the pinks with the teal. I love the greens with the teal. It has some darker green too in the leaves of the flowers. It doesn't have a modesty snap. It just is stitched right here. I'm comfortable with this neckline though. I like the wrap style. I think, you know, it's a little bit short, but it's not too short. What do you think? The armholes, they fit great. That's always good. I just love the colors. I gotta come closer so you could see. Almost has a little bit of, you know how rayon sometimes has, I can't think of the word to describe it. It's not, the texture, you know what I'm trying to say? There's a little bit of texture sometimes that comes with rayon. Can you see it? You can see that, right? Tell me what I'm trying to say, because the words are not coming to me right now. But I really love this top, and I have it on with the jeans still, but this would look cute with white jeans, with white shorts. You can really get a lot of use out of it. You can even throw a cardigan over it, maybe a pink cardigan, like next spring. That would be fun. All right, let me show you the back. So as you can see, it was a little bit longer in the back, so I like that too. I think we have another keeper. Wow, this is a great box. All right, I'm gonna change into the next top. Okay, I've gotta have my leopard print, you know that. So this is by Westkey. It's the woven 3/4 sleeve animal print tie front top in gray pink, extra large, $58, 100% polyester. I love the neckline. I think the grays, I'm gonna come closer so you can see. Look how pretty the pink with the gray is. I really like that. It does have buttons all the way down the front, and it does have the tie front here. What do you think? I think this is really fun. I know it's longer sleeves, well, 3/4 length sleeves, but it would bring me into the fall. I could wear this in the winter. I could wear this now with white pants. I'm convincing myself that I need this top. I can wear it now with white pants to work, like on the cooler summer days, although it's been very warm here, but we're gonna have those cooler summer days where maybe, you know, it's air conditioned in the office still, and I could wear it with white pants. What do you think? I really like this top. I love the pattern. I love the colors. I really, you know, I'm really loving gray. The only thing is, yeah, but a couple of you have told me I need petite, because if I had moved this up, there's no issue because I have room. But because the buttons, it's a regular size, yeah. I don't know, we'll see. I'll have to look in the mirror, see how big of an issue that is. All right, let me show you the back of it. So this would be cute too with black pants. Yeah, what do you think? I really like it. Oh, I didn't talk about the sleeves. So the sleeves are roll tab. Funny, I tried to undo them to see what it would look like with longer sleeves. They're sewn. They're stitched. You can't undo them, so you'd have to be okay with the roll tab sleeve look, which is not bad. Like, I don't mind it. I know some people don't care for it. I'm one that doesn't really mind it. It doesn't bother me. I like it. Yeah. I don't love it, I don't think. I think it's because of the button issue. Or maybe it's because it's hot. It's hot out, so maybe that's why, and I don't need, you know, longer sleeve tops, but I will. I will. All right, I'm gonna watch back and I'm gonna change, so hang on one second. Okay, so this is the first top that I've been like, oh, nope, absolutely not. I'm still gonna talk about it. So this is the Z Supply Thalia Floral Cami in black, extra large, $48, 95% rayon, 5% spandex. I love the print. I think it's a really fun print. What do you think about the print? I like the print, but no, I can't. This look is not flattering for me. Just makes me look bigger than I am. So yeah, the flowy thing is not for Kayla. Nope. It does have an elastic here, and it hits me like right under my chest area. Yeah, just no. Oh, and I got one of these darn strings. I hate these strings. I did just put my bra straps down for now. But yeah, it just has a spaghetti strap. I don't know. Yeah, I like the print, so I think if it was a tank style with a different cut, the print would be great. Really would be. I really like the, I don't know how you would describe it. Maybe a little bit of tropical, but the colors almost are like a little bit of a safari type of color. You know what I mean? All right, let me show you the back. Yeah, so this one's gonna go back. All right, I'm gonna show you the jeans. Now, I didn't put sandals on with the jeans. They are way too long. I think even with sandals, the jeans would be too long. And I'm just not sure about the cut. So let me turn the camera down and we'll talk about them. Okay, let me tell you what these jeans are, and then I'll back up and show you. So these are by Dex, D-E-X. They are the mid-rise slim bootcut jean in dark denim wash, a size 16, $35. Not a bad price, but no. I mean, look how long they are. I did put some wedges on so you could see, but they're still too long. But I mean, it's a flattering cut, I think. I mean, I like the rise of them. They're more of a high rise. I do like the looks of them for the most part. But yeah, no, I think I'm gonna send these back. They're just too long. They're way too, oh, someone must be here. Now she's acting crazy. The other day she was very calm. But yeah, the length is just too long, but it's too bad because the price is awesome and the cut. I mean, I think the cut is really nice, very flattering. Maybe I'll see if they have a petite. I don't know if Wantable carries petite, so I'm gonna see. All right, I'll be right back. I have a dress to show you, so hang on one second. Okay, that was Lexi's friend, the FedEx guy. I know, he's always here. All right, so this last dress is by West Key. This is a knit high-low dress in bright floral. The size is 14 to 16, $74 and 96% polyester, 4% spandex. What do you think of this dress? I'm on the fence about this dress. There's a couple things that I absolutely love about it, and then there's a couple of things that I'm on the fence about. So let's talk about it. Let's start from the top. All right, I love the neckline. I think the neckline, oh, I know my head's cut off, but I want you to see the whole dress. I really like the neckline. I know it's a little bit low, but you can fix it, or you can use the fashion tape, you know. It does have an elastic right here at the waist, and it does tie. I think it's cute. I love the colors. I love the colors of this dress. So the background is like a bit of a royal blue, I would say. It's got some of that teal in it, like that one of those tops had, some coral, some red, some pinks. I think the colors are gorgeous. I'm unsure about the short sleeves. I almost wish it was like a tank style maxi, or they're calling it a midi, I guess, right? What do you think about it? It is a little bit shorter in the front, and the back is like the full maxi length. I kind of wish it was one. I don't know though. I'm on the fence. I think, I don't know. I don't know what I think. I love the colors and I love the pattern. And I like the top part of it. I really think it would look better as a tank style, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna watch back and see what I think once, you know, I see the footage and see what you're seeing. Maybe I should throw some shoes on too and look at it with some wedges. Let me show you the back so you can see how long it is. Yeah, I'm on the fence about this one. What do you think about it? I'm not 100% sure, and I just can't put my finger on it. I really do like the pattern. I almost don't know if it's hitting me at the wrong spot, and maybe if it was like hitting me, like the elastic was hitting me at a different spot, and it was a little bit, I kind of feel like it's a very flowy. I don't know. I don't know. You tell me what's wrong. Maybe there's nothing wrong. I don't know. I'm gonna watch back and see what you're seeing. All right, I'll be right back. We'll do a quick recap. Okay, so I thought this was a great box. This box came to my doorstep right after my last trunk, which was just so disappointing. But we had some entertainment at least, right? So anyway, I thought this was such a great box. I was so happy to get some really great pieces. I think I've made up my mind, but first I want to say a couple of you have used my link and I really appreciate it. I want to know, how were your first boxes? I always like to hear when you guys tell me that, you know, this is your first time trying Wantable, or you're getting a, you know, whatever type of box it is. I always want to know what you think. So make sure you come back and leave me a comment on what you think about your first box. So thank you again for using my link. I really do appreciate it. Now let's talk about what I think I'm gonna send back and what I might keep. So, you know, I really think I'm gonna ask to see if they have a petite size in this, because you guys have told me last time and I really appreciate that. I didn't realize that that's why the fit was off a little bit, because the buttons were in the wrong spot because of, you know, my body shape. So I'm gonna see, because I really do like this top, but if not, I'm gonna send it back. I don't need it right now either. Maybe I should send it back because I don't need it right now. It's a fall top. So maybe I will. This tank was just not flattering. It's going back. And unfortunately, the Dex jeans are going back. While I really liked the overall fit, they were just too long. So yeah, I'm going to send these back. And then the dress, oh, I don't know. This is like in between my yeses. I just don't know. I love the pretty colors. I love the pattern of it. I just think the fit is off. Maybe I need a petite too. I don't know. The fit is off. So I think I'm gonna end up sending it back. Oh, I love the colors, and I want a bright maxi. All of my like long maxi dresses I feel like are darker colors. I really want a bright colored one. Oh no, I do have a bright pink one from my trunk. I do, but I want another like printed one instead of solid print, you know? I've been to prints lately. All right, now I think I'm gonna keep these jeans. I know, I say all the time, I don't need any more denim. I don't need any more denim. I liked them. They were so comfortable, they fit great. I just feel like I don't wanna send them back. I don't, especially because the length was great too. Yeah, they're just so comfortable. I'm blocking the sticker. Concealed comfort. I like them, yeah. So I think I'm gonna keep these. And then the cut from the cloth shirt, I know it's very pricey, but isn't it so pretty? I love it. I don't wanna send it back. I think I'd be disappointed if I sent it back, and that's kind of how I'm making my decisions, is if I'm gonna be disappointed, I'm gonna keep it. So I think I'm gonna keep this one. I am definitely keeping this one too, the Loveappella. I love it. I think it's so pretty. I really do. And it's lightweight, but it's not like, you know, the bad quality lightweight, you know what I mean? Yeah, I actually might change and wear this today because I really love it. I think it's so pretty. Look at the pretty colors. I love the pretty colors. It's mine. All right, so I have 3 keepers, I think, from this box. Let me know what you think of my choices. Thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I think I'm gonna try to get this up on Friday, the day I'm taping it. So I hope you all have a wonderful holiday weekend, and I will see you in my next video.